Before you begin, make sure to switch the boiler off using the touchscreen and then turn it off at the socket. Then run approximately 1 litre of water out of the boiling function of the tap. This will avoid boiling water being present in the system. Now, turn off the mains water supply. To isolate the water, turn the screw on the isolation valve from the open to the closed position. Repeat this step for both the hot and cold feeds. Once done, check by turning the right-hand tap handle to ensure the water is fully isolated. Place a small cloth or kitchen roll in the cupboard to catch any drips. Remove the plastic 3-way connector from the clip. Pinch the buttons on the front and back to release each of the 3 hoses. Insert the new connector, matching hose numbers to the marked ports. Push each hose in securely. After, clip the new connector back in place. Now you're ready to restore the water supply. Simply turn both isolation valves back to the open and then check for leaks. The last step is to power the boiler back on at the socket, then switch it on using the touchscreen. Once the boiler has reheated the water, your tap will be ready to use.